This is Dr. Possibility from Excel Academy. Please make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure that you register with Excel Academy. Kindly make sure that you also watch my part 1 to 15 of Histology revision. Let's quickly get started. So, the first question in our part 16 of Histology revision is name the structure shown by the arrow. So the structure shown by the arrow, we can see it is mount-roped, and this structure is simply the neutrophil. State one of its characteristics, which is just its nucleus is mount-lobed. Then give one of its function, which is just it plays a role in phagocytosis and form first line of defense. Let's quickly move on and look at the next question. The next question is name the tissue. So if you look at this tissue, this is just the fetal finger. We have already done this similar slide in the previous tutorial video. Then label the part indicated by the arrows. So the first part indicated by the arrow, which is A, it is the zone of ossification. B is the zone of hypertrophy, and then C, it is the zone of calcification. Please take note of the spelling there. It's supposed to be zone of hypertrophy. Next, the next one is name the organ. If you look at this organ, this is simply the larynx. Give two reasons. One, the presence of the hyaline cartilage. Two, the presence of pseudostratified columnar epithelium, which is ciliated. Three, the presence of elastic cartilage. Let's quickly move on and look at the next question. The next question is name the tissue. So if you look at this tissue, this is a gland, and the gland is simply the sublingual gland. Label the part indicated by the letters. Letter A is just simply indicating the interlobular connective tissue. Then B is simply the mucus acini. C is simply the interlobular duct. Let's quickly move on and look at the next tissue. The next slide is name the tissue, which is just the hyaline cartilage. State the location of this tissue. You can talk about the costal cartilage and also the trachea. Then label the part indicated by the arrow. The red arrow there, it is talking about, or it's pointing the fibrous layer of the pericardium, the pericardium. Then the black arrow, it is pointing on the chondroblast. Then the blue arrow is pointing on the lacuna with the chondrocytes. Let's quickly move on and look at the next slide. The next slide is name the tissue. So if you look at this tissue, this is simply the colon. Give two reasons. The first reason you can give absence of villi and the plaque circulae. And then the next one is the epithelium forms straight clips with abundant goblet cells. So these are just few of the reasons you can give. When you watch the previous videos, there are more reasons that I have given. So please make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure that you register with Excel Academy.